Hello, little friends. Are you ready for a magical story? Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there was a kind girl named Beauty who loved to read books. She lived with her father, who was an inventor. One morning, as her father gets ready for work, Beauty said,
"Take care, Papa. Be safe. Bye,"
said Beauty, giving him a big hug. It started to rain, and he needed to find shelter. Suddenly, he saw a big castle appear through the trees.
Hello, is anyone there?
Beauty's father went inside, calling out, "Hello? Is anyone there?"
Grr, who dares enter my castle?
Then a deep voice boomed. "Who dares enter my castle?" Oh my. A scary beast appeared. He had big teeth and shaggy fur. The next day, brave Beauty came looking for her father.
Papa, where are you?"
The beast appeared, looking fierce. But Beauty wasn't afraid.
"Please, let my father go home. I'll stay here instead."
At first, Beauty was sad. But then something wonderful happened. She discovered that the beast loved books too. The beast was actually very kind and gentle. Beauty saw the goodness inside him. Days passed, and Beauty and the beast became good friends.
"Beast, I love you."
One day, Beauty said, "Beast, I love you." And then magic happened. Sparkles filled the air, and there was a bright flash of light. Poof! The beast turned into a handsome prince.
Only true love could break the spell and turn me back into a prince.
The prince explained that an evil witch had put a spell on him. Beauty and the prince lived happily ever after in the beautiful castle. Remember, little friends, it's what's inside that counts. The end. Wasn't that a wonderful story?